Hello friends! Today I will show how to draw turkey with colored pencils in a realistic way. Let's start the work with a regular pencil. Outline the main shapes of the turkey, tail, body. They resemble the shapes of a circle. Next step is outlining of turkey's neck, chest, legs and wings. Try to make no pressure on the pencil, because it's construction lines, which might be corrected after. Solid lines are not easy to erase. Make a direction of the feathers on the turkey's tail. We made the main shapes of our image. Go to the details. Specify the lines of torso, wings, neck and head. Mark the beak, a chest bunch of hair which wear by the adult male. Outline the direction of the long feathers on the wings. Outline the overall shape of the feathers at the base of the tail. Light up our sketch with an eraser and start work using colored pencils. Now we will apply the first base layer of colors. Colored pencils are exciting media. They are utterly convenient, and handful of colored pencils and a pad of paper are all you really need to start creating. The pressure placed on the pencil can affect the value and intensity of the color. When layering colors, this plays an important role. The first layer I suggest making with a light pressure. With light pressure, you keep your options open for many different techniques, such as layering and blending, which we will get into later. I use a standard straight line pencil stroke for first colored coverage. You will see that applying light pressure, the coverage you get is minimal, meaning it leaves lots of white space. When you color with pencils, your strokes are fairly visible, so you either want to blend those out or use them to your advantage. Experiment as you work to find the right combination of pressure to produce the colors and values that you need to your particular application. Let's start to create a second layer of color on the feathers of the tail. In most circumstances, you will find that applying just one color to a location in a drawing is not enough to make representation results. Instead, multiple layers of color are required. Separate the wings from the body. Separate the neck from the body. Mark an eyes. Begin to enrich the primary colors with shades of others. Mark with color the legs. Just as brushstroke in a painting can inform the viewer of the form and texture of the subject, the direction of the marks made with the pencil can do the same. This is especially true when changes in value create the perception of lines. Continue to enrich the colors of the turkey's body. Layering colors produce more depth in the colors and lead to a more realistic depiction. Emphasize the details on the turkey's head, using hard pressure on the color pencils. Hard pressure applies the more saturated pigment, but limits your ability to layer other colors into it on top. Draw in the details the feathers on the turkey's body. Start drawing a grass. We are almost done. Please make your comments under the video and subscribe on my YouTube channel, that not to miss the new art lessons with me. Good luck and see you soon!